This is your Vacu Flush vacuum generator. Go ahead, Elise, flush it. Is the circuit breaker turned off?
Yes, it is. Somebody told me to turn it off.
Circuit breaker on?
Half toilet is on.
Flush it. Yes. So what you hear is inside here, see that motor wiggling a little bit?
I do. I see something.
Inside there's a diaphragm plunger that goes up and down.
I can see the action from here.
Okay. And when it achieves the proper vacuum pressure, proper vacuum, it'll turn itself off. Nope, we're good. It stopped automatically. We're happy. So that's your Vacuum Flush vacuum generator that will evacuate the toilet bowl through that hose, bring it in, out that hose, and go into the holding tank.
It should be in the cup again.